इतना सुकून।
Finally finished with the purchase of the tripod. ऐसे क्यों आ रहा है बे?
It works.
For all the people who miss leg days, when you do leg days, this is how you walk. देखो. Oh God. ये क्या गिर गया भाई? बेचारा.
Where did you buy the brand?
Bag. Amazon. Amazon అనుకుంటాను. లింక్ చెప్తాను ఒక నిమిషమా. ఏ బ్యాగ్ మాది? ఈ బైక్స్ అన్ని కొనుక్కుంటే ఇది మైలేజ్ ఎవరు చూస్తారు అని. So everybody wants to know what is the mileage of this vehicle. So even these people were asking me how much mileage does the vehicle give. क्या हुआ भाई? Oh, accident. Shit. Heavy yaar, heavy. Oh, it's with an auto. I hope he's okay. Considering this is our first moto vlog, the audio might be distorted because of all the wind disturbance. Please excuse us for that. And also the angle right now, I'm not quite sure if you're getting only the sky or if you're getting the horizon as well, or if you're getting the bike also, because that true view, I'm still not quite certain how to capture it. So if it is still not the true view, please excuse us, please don't mind, because this is all based on trial and error and I will get it right in future videos. So we're heading to Chroma to purchase a big tripod, and also uske baad we'll head to one of the most serene places here in Visakhapatnam. It's called Ram Naidu Studios, which is on top of a hill. So there we'll get to shoot a lot of good content, a lot of reels for Insta as well as for YouTube shots. Unfortunately, there's a lot of wind disturbance because I actually didn't calculate the helmet size properly. I was expecting it to be something around 56, 57 I thought would be proper for me, but this helmet unfortunately was available only in 58, 59. So I went ahead and purchased it, and now I'm realizing that the helmet is too big. That is why there's a lot of air leakage in the helmet, and that might be causing a lot of disturbance even for you guys in the audio right now. Nonetheless, I have put the dead cat on it. Hopefully, that is reducing some of the wind disturbance. Listen to this. I absolutely love this.
भाई मजा आया.
I also know for all the crazy enthusiasts of the ZX10R and the Kawasaki superbikes out there, I know you guys are expecting for us to do a lot of motovlogs on when we take it to the highway, for us to hit 299, for us to do crazy races, but that is not feasible every day. I hope you guys understand that, even I have an everyday life to live. So I will be shooting a lot of everyday activities like, maybe going to this shop, going to that shop, going on this small ride, that small ride with the wife. And amidst all that, every now and then we will be going for a superbike ride as well with the Kawasaki group of Visakhapatnam as well as the superbike group of Visakhapatnam. So that will be coming once in a while, so please do stay tuned. Please keep showing your support. Please subscribe to the channel. This right here, what you can see right now where we are heading, this is called the Telugu Talli flyover. Alright, it is the longest flyover in Visakhapatnam and it is an absolute breeze. Enjoy! Every time you go on this flyover, it just makes you fall in love with the vehicle that you have. Believe it or not, even before when I used to ride the CBR, I used to enjoy that stretch of road because you have that sense of freedom for that 1-2 kilometer stretch. And now on the superbike, pucho hi mat. Chroma is here. Parking. बाप रे क्या 150 yeah. There is Zeus, I'm coming for you. क्या कर रहे हैं? रेडी? Did I miss the turn? ऊपर जाने के लिए ऋषिकोंडा, I mean not ऋषिकोंडा, कहाँ जाने के लिए? राम नायडू स्टूडियोज. I think I've missed the turn. इतना आगे कहाँ है bro? Are you sure?
एक बार देखो प्लीज.
Shama. No problem. 16, 17. Good. You have fans everywhere. You guys saw right now. You guys saw right now. You know that's the thrill. You know that's the thrill involved. Where you know they came beside the bike and they were like just rev. You know. True enthusiasts will just want to listen to the sound of these 1000cc 4-stroke engines rev. You know, that is what it is. So that was a nice experience. I'm glad that all this is getting recorded for you guys. And usse pehle jo aaya tha, he wanted to know where we purchased this backpack because yeah, apparently this backpack, a lot of people are liking it. So I'll mention the link in the description below. Through Amazon it is. So you guys can buy it through Amazon, okay? Some film shooting is going on over there. Yeah, so that guy wanted to know where we bought the bike from, and then he also asked me how much I'm getting per liter. So that was the joke in itself, because normally when you come to such bikes, you don't really care about mileage. So even when he asked me how much I'm getting, I told him like maybe 16, 17. So you guys let me know down in the comments if you guys want me to make a video on the mileage of ZX10R, how much this 4-stroke 1000cc engine will give per liter, and I'll surely make a video on that for you guys. ये व्यू देखो यार, ये व्यू देखो. This is the view, guys. Look at this. This is entire Visakhapatnam encapsulated in one video. Thank you so much, stupid fool. Any and all mistakes that I'm making related to motovlogging, please do correct me down in the comment section down below, so that I can always improve as a content creator and more importantly as a motovlogger, because this is something new. This is my first motovlog in 2 years that I've been doing YouTube. This is the first motovlog that I have done. So that's what I was just telling them, that the mileage that I get is something around 15, 16, and anybody that buys this bike will not be thinking about mileage much. Enti? Inga padtundi. Well, with this view ahead of us, I'd like to say thank you guys so much for watching, and please subscribe to the channel, follow up and stay tuned to the channel so that keep updated with the channel. Hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any future videos. Thank you, and we shall see you in the next one.
बड़ा हरामी हो बेटा.